so much information that is available online today. Why do you think career coaching is still important?
In fact, it's more important now. Today you will say, okay, I will ask ChatGPT, what are career options with biochemistry? But the career coach will tell you if this is actually feasible or not, this is actually relevant or not, this is actually suitable for you or not.
ChatGPT cannot teach you how to be emotional, correct?
AI will give you knowledge, not wisdom.
So emotional intelligence, human intelligence and artificial intelligence. You need to understand which is more important.
So हम लोग ये तो बोल रहे हैं कि बच्चों को इंडिपेंडेंट बनवाना है, बट इंडिपेंडेंट बनवाना है पर वो लगाम तो आप छोड़ ही नहीं रहे. Economics and psychology is a phenomenal combination. Maybe you go to a supermarket, you will see that all the kids products are at their height.
Yeah.
They have placed it in a certain manner, whereas whole wheat bran and all the diet kind of things will be at our level. Why? Yes. There is a lot of thought that has been put behind where that product should go. This is psychology.
Here I have one debate point, to be very honest. People are saying AI is getting smarter and everything. For example, ChatGPT.
Yes.
It's again feeded data which a human is feeding, correct? If a human is feeding that AI data, that means it's again dependent on a human, right?
Absolutely.
And to use that AI, you should be smart enough with your intelligence to prompt that way. नमस्ते एंड वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ लोकल बंधन विद शारमीन मिराजकर, जहां हम मिलेंगे एक और एंटरप्रेन्योर से और जानेंगे उनकी कहानी. आज हम मिलने जा रहे हैं एक ऐसे इंडिविजुअल से जो मोर देन 27 लैंग्वेजेस जानते हैं. उन्होंने अपने बच्चे को होम स्कूलिंग की है एंड अमेजिंग पेरेंट. Also, उसके साथ साथ she is also a career coach. So let's meet Amruta Langs. Welcome to the show. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Amruta Langs. Why this name? First of all, very inquisitive to know.
Well, my name is Langs, and what is Langs? It's like Bond, James Bond, So way back, when I was trying to create my first email address, and my granddad, my mom's dad, had that time suggested that firstly he tried to understand what is email address, and then when I explained him, so he was like, okay, so this is going to be something that you will share for your work, that will say about your profile.
Correct.
So he kind of understood that this is something called as brand management or your branding at that time. So he was like, languages, we tried to use something, and then Amruta Langs came up. Facebook became Amruta Langs, and later on it so turned out that my website became Amruta Langs. It became a brand, what he envisioned way back in 2001, 2002.
So Amruta ji, my next question is, in today's fast changing world, what does it really mean to be future ready?
Sharmeen ji, the thing is that today everyone is talking about you have to be future ready. You have to choose careers which will keep you occupied for the future. Because we cannot really envision the way technology is progressing. We can't really envision that what exactly is going to be the future, and no one ever did. So, back in the ages where all of a sudden industrial revolution was there and many became jobless, that was one revolution that did happen, and obviously now is the one that is going to happen, or rather already happening. That is age of AI. And then we are saying that, oh, stay away from AI. Then there are people who are saying, oh my God, this generation is too much into gadgets. Then there are people who are saying, AI ही सीखो, तो फिर you will never go jobless.
True.
But I feel in the age of AI, if you give more importance along with AI to HI is human intelligence as well, it will benefit you.
Absolutely. So here I have one debate point, to be very honest. people are saying AI is getting smarter and everything. Now, AI is limited to the data which is feeding. For example, ChatGPT.
Yes.
It's again feeded data which a
Correct.
human is feeding.
Yes.
Correct. If a human is feeding that AI data, that means it's again dependent on a human, right?
Absolutely.
And to use that AI, you should be smart enough with your intelligence to
Correct.
prompt that way.
Yes.
We see a lot of reels that happens, oh, prompt GPT this, you know,
Correct.
and that.
Exactly.
So it means your intelligence has to be upgraded, or smarter.
So that means not just staying away from AI is going to help you, but your HI needs to be in sync with AI.
Yeah,
in the
yeah.
terms that when you say that you need to give correct prompts, which means till the time you give that input, you're not going to get the output.
Correct, correct.
So that machine is not going to think by itself. If you want to say, for example, become a teacher, many will debate that what is the use of teacher. I will just ask ChatGPT any question, it will give me the answer. I don't need any teachers. No, you will need teachers, because okay, which teacher will you need? The teacher who is just stuck into providing data information, wherein she is just reading a textbook to you. That kid might say, no ma'am, I know all this, I am bored. He or she, that kid or these children of today's age, are going to need teachers who are not just teachers but mentors. Who guide them, who show them the path. Because at the end of the day, we have to understand, when we say HI, we are controlling, we have the emotions.
True.
And it is a teacher's duty to mentor, to guide.
Correct.
The
Absolutely.
EI also, the emotional intelligence.
So emotional intelligence, human intelligence, and artificial intelligence. You need to understand which is more important.
Correct.
And accordingly, I think when you say emotional intelligence is also, so a ChatGPT cannot teach you how to be emotional, correct? I'm sure about it.
Yeah, and even if it does, it will just give you some pointers, do this, do that.
You should have tears in your eyes.
It will tell you robotically.
Correct. It will not give you that emotion to be very honest.
Yes.
And you'll need humans to do that. You will
and
definitely.
you will need a teacher probably to share that, to discuss something. You cannot discuss at the end of the day with a robot. We used to call teachers, so in Indian culture, we used to call them gurus. So who is a guru?
Correct.
A guru is not just a shikshak, a teacher. It's a blend of knowledge with wisdom.
True. Absolutely.
And AI will give you knowledge, not wisdom.
Not wisdom. And even if it gives you wisdom, but it will be very text format. Like, you need to become...
Because at the end of the day, it is going to take the data from somewhere and provide it to you. So that wisdom is going to be someone's quote, which the GPT is going to be quoting to you.
So you are becoming
wisdom.
In form of wisdom, and it's just text.
Yes.
Wisdom will also be with emotions.
Correct.
Your emotions, your human will never be replaced. Like
correct.
ChatGPT cannot.
Yeah, and
AI
similarly.
cannot.
So today people say that there are robotic surgeries happening, but at the end of the day, to exactly find out, decipher, and understand the human body, you are going to need human doctors. हम लोग जब डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं बचपन में, especially with kids, you understand this emotion. You go to a doctor, you go to a certain doctor, and even before you take the medicine, you go like, त्यांच्याकडे जाऊन आलं ना की बरं वाटतं. You go to a doctor, you feel so good that you forget sometimes, I have not taken the medicine.
It's all again
that is
emotions.
The human.
Yes.
That is the human touch. This is the emotional intelligence. This is the HI that will come in play. So when you talk about future ready careers, people have to think about what is more human. And how am I going to back my humanness with the artificial intelligence?
It needs to be blended properly. Yes. A proper concoction needs to be prepared.
Correct. सही मात्रा में वो दवा लेनी जरूरी है.
Yes, just like salt, it has to give you a proper taste.
स्वाद
अनुसार. Okay, my next question is, with so much information that is available online today, why do you think career coaching is still important?
In fact, it's more important now.
Okay.
Rather, it has always been important. It's just that we have never paid that much attention towards it, and now I'm glad that people are paying attention towards it. It can't be that मेरे कुछ अरमान थे, मेरे कुछ सपने थे और वो पूरे नहीं हो पाए, and then I'm passing it on to my child. It's not fair.
Not fair.
Which subject is something that you like, or which subject is where you want to pursue your career, then how do you identify that? So this all comes with your psychometric testing. And earlier there was this age of aptitude testing.
Right. So, for example, this is what I understand. A lot of kids like to draw and paint. That doesn't make them they are
Artists,
right?
exactly.
They would like to do it, but they can always have another profession
Exactly.
as to fulfill their own career types.
Right.
They can always be that artistic. That's a hobby.
That's the whole thing. Aptitude and psychometric. It needs to be understood well in order to find out what exactly is your calling. What is your true calling?
Yeah.
And that is where the career coach comes in place. It also helps you where today you will say, okay, I will ask ChatGPT what are career options with biochemistry. Okay, definitely, go ahead, you should. I in fact tell my students
that opens a
go
window.
ahead, definitely, because it will give you you will stimulate your brain. But the career coach will tell you if this is actually feasible or not, this is actually relevant or not, this is actually suitable for you or not.
True.
Or the pros and cons behind it. So all these tiny minuscule things which you need to work towards it, that will come with the career coach. And that is why the kids today need, especially because there are thousands of options available. Who would have thought economics and psychology is a phenomenal combination? I mean, importance of psychology over the years, people have understood. So, you go to a store like IKEA, or you go to a simple bookstore, or maybe you go to a supermarket. You will see that all the kids' products are at their height. They have placed it in a certain manner, whereas the whole wheat bran and all the diet kind of things will be at our level. Why?
Yes.
There is a lot of thought that has been put behind where that product should go. This is psychology.
So, Amrutaji, let's talk about career coaching. Okay. Now, when a person or a kid or parents approach you, what difference does it make when they are taking professional career coaching from you?
Okay. So, Sharmin ji, the thing is that I have developed a website. So, it's not just amrutalangs.com which talks about what work I do. But when a person, a kid, a child or a parent subscribes to it, they get free access to also, there is an AI inbuilt in the website which guides you, which opens up things wherein they can explore. And then there is the HI which helps them and guides them and shows them the path. So the exploratory part and the guidance. So exploratory on the website and guidance over here is the combination that they get. What we spoke about? Yogya Matra mein. So and we also discuss, I firmly believe that career coaching should be child-led. When I say child-led or child-driven, is what I mean by that is completely based on his or her personal interests, strengths, weaknesses, likes, dislikes. I will not unnecessarily suggest something
or impose
a college, for example, कि भाई US का ये college है, just because I am getting some benefits, I will say you go to that college. No, I work independently. I do not work with any organization for this reason.
Wow.
That my guidance should not be, should not get influenced by any of these factors. My guidance should only be based on what you like.
So, this profession that you have taken ahead, where you are coaching, you are doing a career coaching, what is it named and what is it called and where do we search about it?
Okay. So primarily it is all under amrutalangs.com.
.com.
But the career coaching part is called Shikshan Setu.
Okay. Okay. So if I go on the website,
Yes,
there is
Amruta Langs.
yes, there is
Shikshan
Shikshan Setu,
Correct.
and under that we can
Career coaching.
do the coaching and
Yes.
everything over there. Now, okay, there are a lot of students who choose their career because of their friends or their cousins. इसने किया है तो मुझे भी करना है, इसमें बहुत अच्छा पैसा है. ये तरीके का जो माइंडसेट बच्चों का या पेरेंट्स का होता है, हाउ डू यू ब्रेक दैट?
You know, that it's a very good question. Thanks for asking, first of all. This mindset does not just begin at the career part.
Okay.
It starts way back when they are, growing
Growing.
up. You have not read Shakespeare does not mean you're not a good reader. Maybe some child wants to be happy with Supandi.
Yeah.
And it's okay.
It's okay.
The whole point is कि उसे सुपांडी पसंद है तो वो सुपांडी ही पढ़ेगा, and we have to be okay with it.
Yes.
That is encouraging the preferences, the likes, and that is where that mindset needs to be broken right there.
Right there.
If
So it's not just the kids, it's the
Yeah.
parents जिनका
Yes.
mindset भी change करना
because वो
पड़ता है.
जो comparison है ना constantly,
Yeah.
my friend is learning French, even I want to learn French. But क्यों? That freedom is where that is importance. So हम लोग ये तो बोल रहे हैं कि बच्चों को independent बनवाना है, but independent बनवाना है पर वो लगाम तो आप छोड़ ही नहीं रहे. वो तो ऐसे बोल रहे, हाँ जाओ independent बनो,
पर हम खींचेंगे.
हाँ जाओ
आप जाओ,
हाँ, independent. No, my child is independent.
But
Harry Potter पढ़ो, my child is independent. Go to French class, my child is independent. Become a doctor. अरे नहीं यार, ऐसे तो नहीं होगा.
नहीं हो सकता.
That's not independence. Independence is independent thinkers and
Yes.
raising independent thinkers.
It
That
starts
is
from
where-
a very small age,
With
very
the
very
small
small things. Psychometric test के बारे में हम बात कर रहे थे,
हाँ,
करेक्ट?
हाँ.
अब उसके लिए ना मुझे एक बहुत फनी सा, नॉट फनी बट इट्स अ विटी क्वेश्चन
Okay.
जो है मेरे लिए.
Okay.
आप मुझे क्वेश्चंस दोगे एंड
हाँ.
आई विल हैव टू टिक मार्क व्हिच इज करेक्ट.
Correct.
नाउ मल्टीपल वेरिएशन. अगर मैंने मेरे पेरेंट्स के दबाव में आके वो क्वेश्चंस का आंसर दिया, वन. सेकेंड, बिकॉज आई विल बी जज्ड ऑन द आंसर, मैंने गलत आंसर्स दिए. या मुझे जो बनना है उसको कंफ्यूज करने के लिए मैं कुछ और आंसर दे रही हूँ.
Yeah.
सो इसके बारे में आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
तो इसी वजह से whenever we conduct psychometric testing, the primary guidelines is, especially for the parents,
ओके.
please do not influence your children or do not force your children. Don't be around. Best thing is
स्टे अवे.
stay away. And always remember one thing, psychometric testing में गलत या सही जवाब नहीं है. This is not KBC.
करेक्ट. करेक्ट.
गलत जवाब पे आपको 1 करोड़ या 10 करोड़ नहीं मिलने वाले. बट आप अगर आपके मन की आवाज़ सुन के अगर जवाब देते हो तो वो सही जवाब है. And that will actually give you a career which will maybe help you earn 100 crore.
ट्रू. इससे ऐसे नहीं बट वैसे आप जरूर
हाँ.
कमाओगे.
So sometimes you want to know or understand your child's learning style. उसके लिए भी psychometric testing है. So it is not
Very
just stream selector.
It's very important, very very
It
important.
is so needed.
Yeah.
Very
so,
much.
So on your website amrutalangs.com, people they will go to your career counseling or
Yeah.
career coaching
Yeah.
segment. Then they will start putting in there. So there are details that they put. So
Correct.
you do a back study on that,
Yes.
and then you start coaching.
So, but I first like to have like a face-to-face conversation, either in person or virtual, and I like to ask like the most detailed questions. Like just tell me what you are, how you are, who you are, because just based on one form, I'm not going to understand
True.
who Sharmeen is.
True.
I want to know how your family process is, what is your schedule like, what does your day look like, how your years have been like, What are your dreams? What are your thoughts, views? So all these things, when I understand, then I actually come to what is okay, the real problem. Then we go, okay, based on this,
How
this is
to-
the psychometric. Then we go to the next step. Okay, so how do you, have that roadmap
Hmm, hmm,
for you,
hmm.
which is exclusively based on
Just
Yes,
personalized.
personalized,
Correct.
completely exclusive to you, best fit for you.
Wow.
That is the correct one.
सो आई थिंक हम पहले बोलते थे कि एक डॉक्टर से और एक लॉयर से झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए.
हाँ.
सो एक करियर कोच से
बिल्कुल भी
बिल्कुल
नहीं
भी
बोलना
झूठ नहीं
चाहिए.
बोलना चाहिए. अमृता जी, वन पावरफुल मैसेज दैट यू वुड लाइक टू शेयर विथ किड्स एंड पेरेंट्स सेपरेटली, नॉट टुगेदर.
You tell a monkey, he can climb very well. You tell an elephant, go. Did you see the monkey? Did you practice? Very good, elephant. Now go. This is a coconut tree. Start climbing. Okay? Progressing. Oh, you're failing. You're failing. Oh, you're failed. You're a failure now. No. The minute you start comparisons, try and understand what the qualities of elephant are, what the qualities of a fish are, what the qualities of a monkey are. They all have their own characteristics. हमारे खुद के characteristics कब identify करोगे? Because these are your characteristics which make you your personality, that shape you, make you you.
Yeah.
And there's no one better than you.
Absolutely.
Yes.
You are a best version of yourself every
Absolutely.
single day.
Every single day. This will generate positivity.
Yeah.
Keep your mind open. And independence is not with lagam. Independence is leaving that, letting them do it. When we grow big, in today's time, so in today's age, now, if you ask me, वो 10th standard marks,
You
what
don't-
value?
don't
10th
remember.
marks, 12th marks, graduation marks, किसने पूछा?
Nobody has asked. They've just asked कि mark sheet submit कर देना.
हाँ.
That's it. They've not asked how much did you get in English.
बस वो मार्क्स क्या है, मतलब वो कॉलेज मिलता नहीं है, इसके लिए बस वो भागम दौड़ हो जाती है. And that's the sad reality of life. But उसके बाद या मतलब no one is going to ask you your marks. They are going to look at you as your version.
We have our next round, but before that, I would like to ask you a question.
Okay.
How did you feel coming to Local Bandhan with Sharmin Mirajkar?
Oh, I had a great time. I had a great discussion with you because I think you have asked me some amazing questions, So I really loved this chat, this little chat.
Yeah.
So I'm sure your viewers
I'm
are
sure
going to
about
enjoy
it.
it.
Yes.
But I loved chatting with you.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure to get that compliment from you. Moving to the next round, which is rapid fire, the parenting edition. Okay, so we've got these cute small segments that we can rounds, or you can say.
ठीक है. हाँ.
Screen time, ये और नहीं? Balance.
Balance.
Okay. Strict parent or chill parent?
Balance.
One parenting advice you'd ban forever.
Okay. Independent kids. छोड़ दो. Then independent kids.
Best age to start homeschooling?
Oh, homeschooling. Homeschooling is, you can start at any age.
Okay.
That is completely up to you. So there's no best age and worst age. But again, I always give this disclaimer with this statement. I do not recommend homeschooling to everyone. It's a decision that needs a lot of thought process that goes behind it.
True. Homeschooling is not easy.
Yeah.
This or that education version. Okay. Exams or portfolios?
Balance.
Okay. Phonic or storytelling?
Storytelling.
Discipline or freedom?
Yes. Freedom with
Discipline. Again, guys, one more point where you should go and get a coaching done with Amrita ji, because it's gonna change your perspective and your thought process for your child. I think it's more of a counseling, and along with that, hand holding. I think it's very, very important. Red flag, green flag. Okay. So many schools now. Do you suggest a very high-end school or a normal school?
Again, the best fit school. So there's nothing like a branded school is a
Yeah,
good school. The more expensive it is, it's a good one. और ये तो बहुत ही सस्ती है तो
कुछ नहीं पढ़ाएंगे.
हाँ, कुछ नहीं पढ़ाएंगे. It's not that. So always check for 3 pointers. I always say one. That's the easiest way to choose. Okay, one is the distance.
Okay.
Second thing is how cooperative the school is, and third thing is does it fit your pocket? Does it fit your budget?
With that, I have another round of interview, which
Okay.
is red flag and green flag. Okay, all kids must learn coding.
Learn
Coding.
Coding.
Because that's
okay.
what.
Green flag, but
Okay.
all kids, again, I wouldn't generalize it. It depends again on the kids' liking, but yes, if you're starting it as a school curriculum, why
That's
not?
a yellow flag.
Wow, I would like a
Dep-
yellow flag.
depends,
Okay, thanks
like-
for giving me the yellow
I'll
flag.
give you third option.
Thank you.
Tantrums should be stopped immediately.
Depends what kind of tantrums those are. So based on that,
Yeah.
you
Again,
can take
yellow
that call.
flag.
Yellow flag.
Only marks matter.
Completely red flag.
Let kids fail sometime.
Yes, a green flag.
Yeah.
They will learn.
They will learn. Now, myths and facts. Okay. Early reading makes kids smarter.
Early reading, early age, reading by parents, yes, makes kids smarter. So don't be in the position, okay, come on, you read. Read? Why you're not reading? Read? No. If you are going to be on phone, the child is not going to read. The more you read to your child, the more you read with your child, the child is going to read, and that will benefit.
True. Timeouts help with behavior.
Not really.
Okay. Every child is creative.
Yes, every
Fact.
person, every individual, every human is creative.
So Amruta ji, thank you so much for coming on Local Bandhan with Charmin Mirajkar. It was just such an amazing interview, and more than interview, it was more of an exchanging of our thought process. Hamara EI, HI was very strong in this, and I'm sure AI is gonna capture it and put it in the algorithm. Thank you so
So
much.
thank you for inviting me, and to tell you frankly and honestly, I got to speak about a lot of points. I've given so many interviews. I don't think I have cleared or spoken about these pointers. So I'm thankful to you for inviting me and asking me these really out of the box
Questions. Thank you so much. It's been a
Thank
pleasure to have you on the show.
Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you so much. So guys, do like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching the entire episode. Stay tuned for the next episode where we are going to meet another entrepreneur, and let's show the world the power of real entrepreneurs. Bye.